You know, because when you sell product, yes, you show 100 people, who are, stand on the chair, oh, my arm very strong now. But when you share concept, we prefer to have usually not more than one table, maximum two, because very easy to interact. Isn't it? You have question, you can ask now. And don't bring more than two people because you can do a follow-up very easily. You have four people, different character, very hard for you to take care of them. Small number, small talk are more here. Just mark it and tell them about the business concept. Right? So I will leave the concept to you to chew about, think about it. I can actually talk more. I will do a little bit more about the company first, the product very quickly, then we have a close and see whether it's enough for this evening or not. Of course, Muraki's concept is successful because he found a very successful company. We started only with one product. This is the product, one product already. It was also a revolutionary product. Because the Japanese idea is, now they have a third product, okay, I'm going to talk about it. The Japanese idea is make the best product. Don't make the most product. There are a lot of companies that make from head to toe, you know. Japanese said, if you make a very successful product, you will be very successful. So when you look for a camera, what do you look for? Famous brand, Canon, right? You want audio or video, what do you look for? Sony, because it's an international famous brand because they are the best. So make the best product is a Japanese concept. So they don't believe in many products. They only believe in be the best. So they have these two products already number one, right? Just now, Chai mentioned of the water. They will talk about water later on. So only great product. You don't have to. There are some companies where you have a 10 product training all the time. You have no time for anything else. You cannot remember which product is for what. Just you don't have to know the product because Muraki said you are not a doctor, you are not a nutritionist, and don't be one. Just say this is number one from Japan. Please try it. And a lot of people try through do it that is number one. After 3 months, usually they will have significant improvement. Okay, don't promise overnight effect. And get involved with the product that is a necessity. Because we know that more and more everybody need to take food supplement already. Nutritional supplement is a fact of life because of our lifestyle, right? So it is a necessity. If you know about this product, everybody when you go out here, everybody you see, everybody, they are all customers for this product, young and old, okay? Make sure it's a necessity and make sure it is proprietary. Which means, you know, today the network is so powerful. The moment he finished listening here, maybe under the table he searched already, oh, this product, mana dapat, where can get cheaper or not. It's so powerful. If your product is on the internet and selling everywhere, the next store, the next street, the next shop, please don't get involved. Get involved with something that is strong, powerful, proprietary, so this is patented and made in Japan. Not anybody can sell it. So only by joining this company, you can do this business. And highly consumable. There's 100 capsules, you know, young can take, old can take. Bing, bing, bong, bong, bing, bong, bong, bong. You don't underestimate it. It can be taken anytime, with anything, just take it. Some people will go and sell infrared magnetic Thilam. Oh, very good, 12,000. You sleep a little bit, yeah, it's very good. Commission 3,000. What man, I sell one Thilam, I make 3,000, so good lah, where to get lah? Hey, hello, when is the next sales? How many Thilam you going to buy in his lifetime? But this one, after finish, next month. After finish, now. Highly consumable is where your cash register will ring. That's business. And make sure it's convenient. This is in capsule. You just put in the pocket, you go anywhere in the world already. It is not water. Water you cannot go up the plane. Right? And one is for all. You don't have to take 5 or 6 and this is Wednesday, this is Thursday, this is for liver, this is for heart, this is for intestine. No, just one. So convenient is a big business. Now remember our phone. Our phone last time is you need a secretary to carry one. Now it's so small. GPS, search, Everything, dictionary, everything, recorder, camera, everything, convenient. If you have all these things, you know your market is unlimited. It's unlimited, and this is only available now in 6 countries only. Mind you, already in Japan, already in the supplement business, already number 2. In the world, it's the top 30 already. So this is something important point to look at. And Muraki liked this company is also because he said this network company have gone back to basic. You know, originally network company is no selling, using member the words of mouth advertisement. That is the original concept. But now it has changed already. Now most companies come in, what they ask you to do? Become a stockist. Buy more at one time. I give you bigger discount. Wow, your title very high, golden or what, blue diamond, isn't it? Because they front load you with products. They are making you as a stockist. But original concept of an MLM company is no selling, company direct sales. So Muraki like this because you are a member of this, right? So you're using this product as a Sam. And your neighbor say, hey Sam, you looks great, you know, your texture, everything. And as I said, you have a backache before. I said, how's your backache? It's gone. Why? Because of this #1 product from Japan, supplement, you know. It's not a medicine. Anytime, anywhere you can take it, any age can take it. Is that good? Can I try? Can you buy and sell me some? You have to tell your neighbor. He said, no, I'm sorry, I cannot sell you. But I can certainly introduce you, sponsor you, become the member of this company, then the company direct sales to you. So in actual fact, you don't sell at all, Sam. You introduce, so there's no selling. And number 2, no delivery, because delivery is out of date already. If you have to deliver, you have to get the product and deliver to Penang, deliver to East Coast, deliver to how much business can you do? You cannot do a lot of business, but this company every month automatically courier the product to the doorstep of the members. So you have no delivery at all, and there is no money transaction. So you don't go and buy stock, you don't go and sell stock, you don't give credit, and you and your friend have no money transaction. It's between your friend and the company directly. And there is no monthly target because it's not a sales company. If the company has 1,000 products, like a mini market, of course it is a sales company. I want to see your sales record, how much you can sell. This company, no. This product is for modern people, for their house. If they like it, they will use it. You don't have to call them, you don't have to advise them. You only introduce them. So it's not a sales company. Therefore, there is no title, right? I joined earlier than Russell, Russell joined earlier than you. I'm older, you're younger, I'm fat, you're thin, that's it. But there is no title. Title means a lot of conditions attached. Be very careful about title. And this business is, you just become a member, you buy what you want, so it's not other company, you need a lot of money. Some poor graduates are convinced to borrow money from credit card to buy stock to do some MLM business. In the end, the father found out, very upset. You know, the son got so much stock cannot sell, isn't it? So in this company, there's no borrowing. So in the end of the day, and you have no stock, because you only every month receive what you have, your friend receive what you have, you don't buy and don't sell, you got no stock, you're clean. A lot of MLM company are, people get involved, they are killed because they keep stock. And they look good outside. Go back home, they have one room full of stock, out of date. Alright? Kasih present or orang tak mau. Isn't it? So in the end, they put together like Muraki said, hey friends, I only want you to for me for 4 or 5 months, because in the end, if my model fail, you have no risk. True, there's no risk. I have no stock, I owe nobody money, nobody owe me money. Isn't it? No risk. So it becomes, everybody can do this business literally. When something that everybody can do is very powerful. Right? You talk about online networking. If something that everybody can do, it becomes very powerful. Therefore, in Japan, you can see that very quickly it's amazing growth of membership, cross the 1 million mark. very quickly. And you see most of the people are above 60 years old.